This is the Cooper family, proud owners of a beautiful house. Due to moisture, cold and mold in the space underneath the floor, the wooden floor is rotten. In addition to their dog Bailey, they have other unwanted pets. How do they solve this? Welcome to the durable composite replacement floor from Compofloor. Our innovative system is light and modular. This allows us to install a new, well-insulated floor within 1 day. First of all, we measure the space and then prefabricate the entire composite floor in our factory. Once we arrive at your home, we start by removing the old floor. Our expert installers fix the wall anchors into the wall and position the support profile. We then place the modules on top of the profile. This way, the replacement floor is installed in a short time frame. Due to the air and moisture density, mold and unpleasant odors disappear. In addition, because of the high insulation value, the thermostat can also be lowered. We finish the modules with construction panels on which a top floor of your choice is laid. Underfloor heating is also an option. With our replacement floor, anything is possible. So, the Cooper family are completely satisfied with their home again, and all that in just 1 day. Compofloor, the perfect replacement floor joist system for every home.